lot of times if we are a little bit patient, they kind of come right up to us. But they all have their little personalities, you know. Most of them are pretty social. I kind of compare them to people. Most people are pretty social, but, you know, just like the Dolphins, people have their own little personalities, and some of the Dolphins do too. Average length, I would say, is 5 to 8 foot.
There it is, right there.
You get a lot of younger dolphins in the creek in general. Each one has a unique dorsal fin, kind of like your little fingerprint. Their dorsal fins are the same way, they're just a little bit different. But how you tell the difference is the notches. They got little tiny notches. They're all